No.
Dude, I got
No.
You're ugly.
Yes.
Dude, he doesn't know he's on.
That's the sound of police.
Oh my god.
Val, you suck at doing it.
Speaking.
Oh my god. That would be so awful.
I'm gonna be at work, but
Are you making this another compilation kind of video?
Get on, get
Yeah,
on,
I
get
am. I have
on,
a bunch
get
of-
on,
that's why I
get
wanted
on,
Ben.
Get on! I will keep calling you until you get on! Get on! Why are you get on? Get on! Look at me! Look at me!
Look at me.
Get on! Get on!
Cool.
Val, did you get shot and get handicapped
Val,
and go
all
into
trails of
Degrassi?
blood. What are you doing?
Degrassi? I don't know how to say it.
Who left that trail of
Val,
blood there?
Val, were you on Degrassi? I'll take that as
You only
wins.
need one bullet.
Because Elijah performs constantly, and sometimes you blow our teammates off buildings.
You blow teammates? Drama! Yeah, bros, you don't have very
It's
good
okay,
political
you would
views.
literally have nobody to play FIFA with.
Actually, I could play with my sister.
That would be really weird taken out of context.
Wink.
Stop laughing. Stop having fun.
Thanks.
Guys,
Hey.
What?
guys, Jesus
No.
Christ.
What?
Is my nigga.
Alright.
10 seconds to go.
You have the ugliest laugh. Yeah, that's not the only thing that's
You have the
ugly about
ugliest
you.
face.
Okay, Abe.
Okay, Ben.
Must be located.
Wait, I need it. Okay, I have like 15
all five
minutes
of
and
us
then I
are
have to
here.
go.
Okay, well,
Alex, Ben.
Val's banned from a ranked match because he killed us.
That's so funny.
Don't
I
leave.
might be banned too because I left one.
Don't leave. Yeah, you're banned too.
Aiden,
I hate all of you guys. I hate everybody here
wait,
except
I have a
Elijah.
question. I have a question. How long are you guys gonna be on tonight? Because I might be able to leave early from what I'm going to and
I
come
don't
back
know.
here.
It was how long until Val pusses out is basically the question.
I thought we were playing GTA.
Ben doesn't have GTA.
Val, how long until you push out?
But Ben's leaving.
How long?
Yeah, Ben's
I have
leaving.
11 minutes.
Located a bomb.
Really?
What? No, he's
No,
not.
no,
not
no.
until he pushes. Until you. Oh my God, you're so stupid.
Till you go to
Fuck
bed,
this
you
fucking
fucknut.
bomb.
Guys, I have to pee.
Guys, I hate everybody. Elisha, I love you. Yeah, that's it, bro. I hate the rest of you guys.
I'm
Funny?
texting my.
The black man.
Can you
I'm
text
texting
your friend and be
right
like,
now.
I'm so
Elisha's
sorry, but
I'm asking him if I can leave early.
What does early entail, Ben? Because your ass is 3 hours behind us.
Yeah, I was gonna say, Ben, you're already fucking 3 hours
Yeah,
late for the
what?
stream, so
Yeah,
I don't know
3
what the hell
hours
you're talking
late.
about.
I'm not
It's
through.
barely
No,
10
okay.
o'clock.
All right. You guys tell me
Located a bomb.
when. Okay, wait. Hang on,
Hours
just
from now.
one second.
You gotta pronounce it
Oh,
the
no, it
American
is.
way, because
It
the
is
American way is
Macabre.
the only way.
Action phase. 2-2 in the Maya is remaining.
And my eyes.
Guys, check out our ping, holy shit.
Holy shit.
How do you check out your ping? How do you do that? Oh, I got it.
No,
It's really high. It's really good.
no.
What's happening? I got Val! Val, meet me on the other side. I'll protect you.
Don't do this, Ben.
There's a.
You gotta use pistols on him.
Cut him off with the pass!
Oh, Val!
I got you now! I got you now, bitch!
No! Leave my Val alone!
Twitch!
Leave my Val alone!
Oh, you're not dead. I've literally pumped so many goddamn bullets into you.
Twitch! God damn it!
No! Bryce, stop!
How?
Is this still good?
Leave my
How?
Why would you die?
Oh shit! You got shot!
Vaughn, come here!
Come here, motherfucker!
I'm here!
I got him with the quick throw.